I've been seeing people buying Instagram followers all over YouTube for the past couple of years, and I'm deciding to give it a shot. So basically in this video, I'm gonna be buying Instagram followers and seeing how it affects my account, and does it actually affect my account negatively or positively. And then also I'm gonna be showing you guys a supplier that I use, and I've actually used him for everything like Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, so he has everything. Now, why do people buy Instagram followers? One of the main reasons people buy Instagram followers is just basically to get their clout up and build their trust with people they want to work with. Let's say you see somebody trying to sell you a program, course, or something like that. If they have 100 followers or 1,000 followers, you most likely would not trust them compared to someone with 10,000 or 100,000 followers. So that's one of the main reasons people buy followers, is to build their trust with the people that follow them, and basically to have this sort of aura of having more followers than people normally do. And I think that this is one of the main benefits with buying Instagram followers, is that you build your trust, you look very authentic and basically like a solid Instagram account. Now, people also do this for YouTube to monetize their YouTube channels. I have done this below, and the supplier I actually use actually can do this for you as well, which is really cool. But yeah, I was really interested in buying Twitter and Instagram followers and basically just seeing if it actually works, because I've heard of a lot of scams. And I'm going to be going over how I found this one that isn't a scam and how it actually affected my Instagram. So basically the guy that we're using is going to be on Discord, and we're going to be using him because I've used him before and he's actually a great person to use. Now, luckily he was kind enough to give me a co-owner position in his company, and basically we're going to be able to offer you guys a discount since I have gotten in touch with him. So he's helping us out and he's gonna give us all a discount, and his name is Shoy. Now, he's actually super easy to talk with and super easy to work with, and I have been advertising him to some people, but luckily he is giving a 10% discount right now just because the new year. So this is pretty rare, and he has all his prices listed right here. Basically IG followers, TikTok, YouTube, and then he does do custom followers like X and all the other things that you guys would need. But all you got to do is come over here to order and actually press create ticket. And once you press create ticket, it'll pop up a ticket like this where you can actually message back and forth with either me or Shoy, and we'll help you fill out your followers. So now that we have ordered the followers, let's see how it actually affects my Instagram. Okay, so I'm on Instagram now, and as you guys can see, we have this YouTube payout, YouTube Shorts, basically one of my Instagrams, and I'm gonna be going through the process of buying followers using Shoy. So all I gotta do is basically send him my username, so this part right here. Then I would come over to here, come to order, create ticket. It'll pop up a new ticket right here. I'm gonna press on this, basically send him my username, send him how many followers I want. So for this example, we're gonna just be doing 100 just to show you guys. 100 followers, Instagram, and then tell him how we wanna pay. So he has different payment methods. You can obviously ask for it, but I think that he normally takes crypto, so we're just gonna be paying him in USDC for the payment. So we'll do crypto. So just like that, we have our Instagram tag or @ we have how many followers, and then we have how we want to pay him. Now all you got to do to pay him is use Phantom. You're basically going to have a wallet. You're going to press send, press this, and enter his address that he sends you on Discord. Now I know that he does have different addresses just to kind of keep the payments more secure, so don't always send it to the same one. He does change it up just so you guys can basically be sure that, you know, this is encrypted. You're not gonna get sued or anything from Instagram, which is the great thing. So basically I would take his wallet, come over here, and we have one of the wallets he sent me, and I'd send him how much it is. So you can get Instagram famous for literally like less than $100 with Shoy, which is really cool. He's super cheap compared to all these other options. But we come here, press next, and then we'd press send, and we'd send him the money. And honestly, the followers are pretty quick, so let's see how quick we get them. I'm gonna order right now and let's see what happens. All right guys, so Shoy just finally responded. He sent me this crypto address, so basically like I said, copy it, and like you can tell, it's a new one, so basically it's a new one every time. Just send the money here and let me know when. Sent. So I basically just sent him the crypto, and now we're gonna see if we gain some followers. So I just sent the followers to this one. Oh my god, 32. We're already getting them. And they actually look so legit. Dang, we're getting all the followers just like that. They all have profile pictures. They have unique names. They actually do look really legit. I thought they were gonna have like no profile pictures. This is sick. So this should help build my Instagram following or brand basically, which would be very good. So let me see. Not 100% sure how I can see the analytics, but as you guys can see, the followers are coming in pretty quick. Now I know if you ask, he can send the followers slower over a couple of hours or days, just so Instagram doesn't detect it. So all you would have to do is basically message him, hey bro, for the next order, can you send them slowly throughout the next week? Something like this, and this will always work. So you just gotta ask him, and this will basically make it so Instagram can't detect your account. But as you guys can see, dude, we literally just gained all the followers, and this is insane. We're already at 200 followers from nothing. And honestly, he has such cheap prices, only $10 for 1,000 followers. You're not gonna find that anywhere else. So that's why I'm always using him. And he has quick delivery if you do want, like I just showed you. So we got everything, we got all the followers. It looks good. And basically, I think that buying followers from him works 100%. And he does have a bunch of different kind of platforms that he actually uses. So if you guys do want to check him out, go down below. There is a link for him, and I hope you guys use him and enjoy him. See you guys.